Tired of distractions? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to transform your listening experience with unbeatable noise cancellation. These aren't just good. Their industry-leading noise canceling literally melts away the world, letting you focus completely on your music, podcasts, or calls. Whether you're commuting, working from home, or just seeking peace, the quiet these deliver is truly premium. And with an impressive 30-hour battery life, you can enjoy endless audio sessions without constantly reaching for a charger, making them perfect for long flights or busy weeks. If you're looking to upgrade your audio, find the best deal by checking the link in our description for the Sony WH-1000XM5 on Amazon. What truly sets these apart is the seamless multi-point connection, allowing you to effortlessly switch between two devices like your laptop and phone without repairing. This smart feature means no more fumbling with settings when a call comes in while you're watching a movie. It just works. For anyone serious about high-quality sound and unparalleled convenience, these wireless headphones are a game-changer. Don't miss out on what many consider the best wireless headphones available today. Click that Amazon link to learn more. We confidently recommend the Sony WH-1000XM5 as an essential electronics purchase for 2025. They are absolutely worth every penny.